Welcome to a discussion regarding the criminal charges of assault and battery in the state of Louisiana. Oftentimes people get confused between the difference between assault and battery in Louisiana. So today I'm going to talk about how assault and battery are in fact different criminal charges. In some states they may refer to assault as a battery and vice versa. However, here in Louisiana, assault and battery are two completely different charges. An assault, by definition, in the Louisiana Criminal Code, is the intentional placing of another person in the reasonable apprehension of receiving a battery or attempting to commit a battery on somebody. For example, a common form of an assault is when somebody says to another person, "I'm going to hit you." Another example of an assault, or a simple assault, would be if somebody attempts to hit somebody else and they miss, and they don't actually have contact. If they have contact, that can turn into a simple battery. Or in some cases, if they break a bone or knock the other person out, then that could actually become a second-degree battery. Battery in the state of Louisiana is defined as the intentional use of force or violence upon another person. Battery charges range from misdemeanors to felonies and carry all different types of sentences. The most common form of a battery is a simple battery. A simple battery is when somebody uses force or violence against somebody without using a weapon. This is a misdemeanor, and it is punishable by 0 to 6 months in jail. A common example of a simple battery is simply when somebody punches another person, but does not hurt them in such a way as to cause disfigurement or serious bodily injury. If serious bodily injury does in fact occur, for example, if somebody hits someone and the victim suffers a broken jaw or broken nose, or ends up bleeding a lot, or is in fact knocked out, this becomes a second-degree battery, and it's a felony which is punishable by 0 to 5 years. In summary, the best way to describe the difference between an assault and a battery is basically an assault there is no physical contact versus a battery where there is physical contact. But keep in mind, you have misdemeanor assault and battery, and you have felony assaults and batteries. And whether it's a misdemeanor or a felony, they should be taken seriously. For example, with the domestic abuse battery, those build up. So after you get one and you get two, well, the third one's a felony. So these are enhanceable offenses. They should always be taken seriously.